can't beat cooking on an open fire. And a Boozy beef stew and dumplings is a real winter warmer on a cold December's night. So I think this is the spot. I'm going to set up a fire here and let's get cooking. I found some nice dead birch twigs, so they'll go up. My homemade fire lighters. I shall have to do a video about these one day, because you might want to know. They're pretty good little things. Just need breaking up a bit so as the cotton inside can catch. Broken up this birch into little bits. Let the air get in there. Now I've got the pencil sized pieces. Break them up about 6 inches long. Stand on. Right then, for Boozy beef stew we need booze, so we got some proper job. So like that, it's quite hoppy, and everything else should be in this billy, which is what I'm going to make it in. So we've got some beef cubed up, we've got our dumpling mix, which is self-raising flour and about 1/5 suet. Got a bit of salt in there, and I sprinkled some herbs in as well, give them a bit of extra flavour. Got a leek, 2 carrots, 3 potatoes, a bit of swede, a bit of a soup mix, it's like pearl barley and grains and things, and a bit of gravy. So we better get prepping. Oh, bit of garlic as well. So I like to put all my oniony things in after the meat. That's why I'm preparing it first. So once the meat's browned off, I add the onions and garlic and leek. Fry that off a bit, give it a bit of colour, and then add the rest of the veg. Always get one escape, don't you? Yeah. Bit of oil in the pan. On with the meat. I'll fry that up until it's a bit browned. I should be able to play around with the height now. Now I've got my pot stand working. Yeah, they're nicely browned. Now we're going to add in the onions and stuff next. Colour that up for a few minutes. So I've added the rest of the veg, giving it a stir. Now we're going to put the lid on and get it above the heat a little bit, and we're just going to let it steam for a while so the vegetables release their juices and add a bit of flavour. Oh yes, they've released their juices. It's starting to deglaze the bottom of the pan. So what we're going to do now is add the beer. Save a bit for myself. Put in that barley stuff, and I've got a bit of stock in there as well, a bit of vegetable stock. Give that a good stir to take the good taste off the bottom of the pan where it's caramelised, and then add some water in really to top it up. And we'll let that simmer for 30 or 40 minutes. Right, we're about ready for those dumplings. So, get some water. And yeah, we're going to mix in the bag. I want them to be a fairly stiff dough. Done a lot of mixing up in wheelbarrows. I've never done one in a bag before. We've got to get the hands in there. Well, let's just get it out, I think. Oh yeah, nearly perfect. So there we go. 2 dumps. Should we go for 3? No, 2. Let me go for 2. Right, pop them in the pot. Yeah, give them a boil for about 20 minutes and they should be done. Should be stew time. Well, we're about done. Just time to thicken the gravy. There we go, boozy beef stew with herby dumplings. Lovely. And the dumplings cooked. Oh yeah. Yep. That's going to warm me up a bit. I think it's already below freezing. You can tell, can't you? And I'm spending the night here in a Lavoo super shelter, so you might want to watch that video next. I'll stick it up. Where will it be? It'll be over there. Yeah.